In this lecture, we will see how to create practice exercise 21. You can see here elevation view, side view, top view and 3D view. Just study this one. Next, go to here, go to the new, select here 3D practice, then go to the open. Next, we need to create this part first. This one total dimension you can see here 78. Go to here, go to the line tool, click here, make it a 78 line, then press enter, press escape key. Next we need to create this circle for radius 20. Go to here, go to the circle, click here, make it a radius 20, then press enter. Next we need to move that circle this side. Now we created this line, then we need to move this side, circle 80. Select this circle, go to the move command, click here, make it like this 80, then press enter. Then go to the line tool, click here, press shift right click, select here tangent, go near to this circle, click here, press escape key, again go to the line tool, click this endpoint, shift right click, select here tangent, go near to this circle, click here this tangent, then go to the trim tool, trim this one, type J in your keyboard, press enter, select this one, press enter. Now this one is ready. Next we need to extrude that one for 10 mm. You can see here this one 10 mm. Just go to here, select this one, go to here extrude, make it 10, then press enter. Now this one is ready. Next select this one, we need to place it. You can see here this one 30, in between gap 30 required. This one is 10 mm, so total 40. Just go to select this one, copy, click here, make it like this 40, then press enter. Then type DI in your keyboard, press enter, click here, you can see the distance in Z direction, it is 30. In between gap you will get it 30. Then go to the PDF, we need to make it this portion. Just go to here, select here back, you will get it like this. Then select here rectangle, click here and click here. We need to make it this one 10 mm. Select this one, go to here extrude, make it 10, then press enter. Now this one is ready. Then go to the union, select this one, press enter. Now it is single part. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here 20 and here also 20. Go to here, go to the copy edges, select this edge, press enter, click here, make it 20, press enter, press escape key, go to copy edges again, click this edge, press enter, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Next we need to make press pull. You can see here 65 plus 25, total you will get it 70 plus 20, 90. 65, 25, total 90. Just go to here, go to the press pull, click here, make it 90, press enter. Select this one, make it 90, then press enter. Select this line, delete it. Next we need to make it this fillet also. Here you can see this one 25 radius. You can see this radius 25. Just go to here, go to the solid, select here fillet edge, select here radius 25, then press enter. Select this one, press double enter, press enter, repeat the same, press enter, select this one and select this one, press double enter. Now it is ready. Next we need to make it this circle, you can see here this one, that one radius 15. Go to here and make it southeast isometric, then only you can see very clearly. Select here right, then go to the circle, just go near to this, click here. We need to make it radius 15, make it 15, then press enter. Go to the press pull, click here. We need to make it press pull for 5 mm. You can see here 5 mm. Make it 5, press enter. Similar way, select this circle, then go to the copy command, just click here, then go to this side, just go near to this, shift right click, center, just go near to this, you will get it center. Click here, press escape key, then go to here, press pull, click here, make it 5, then press enter. Select the circle, delete it. Next we need to make it this hole also. You can see here this one, that one radius 8. Go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 8, press enter, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make it here fillet. You can see this fillet, we need to make it radius 2.5. just go to here, solid, select here fillet, radius 2.5, press enter. Select this one, press double enter, then go to this side, go to the fillet, already we given radius, select this one, press double enter. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make it this side. First we need to make it this one, this projection. You can see here we have thickness 10 mm, but this area only we need to make it thickness 15 mm. The radius is 20. Go to here, go to the circle. Before that we need to do one thing, select here top. That is very important. Working plane we need to change because we need to work this plane. Go to the circle, just go near to this, you will get it center, make it 20, then press enter. Same thing we required here also. You can copy or you can create here. Just go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 20, then press enter. Ready. Next you can see here we need to make it this projection 5 mm. 15 minus 10, you will get it this projection 5. Just go to here, select here press pull, click here, make it 5, then press enter. Then select here, make it this one 5, press enter, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make this hole also, this hole, that radius 10. Just go to here, go to the circle, just go near to this, click here, make it 10 radius, then go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Now this one is ready. Next we need to make a few more things also. You can see here this fillet 2.5. just go to here solid, select here fillet, radius already we made 2.5, so we don't want to make any changes. Click here, press double enter, then go to here, press single enter. You can repeat the same command, select this one, press double enter. Now it is ready. Then go to the PDF. We need to make this one radius 300 from this location to this location. You can see here, just go to here, go to the line tool, click here and click here, press escape key, then go to the coordinate, select here right, select here start end radius, start point, end point, make it radius 300, then press enter. Then go to here, select here right, select this arc, type MI in your keyboard, press enter, click this midpoint, click here, press enter, then go to the 3D view, southeast isometric, go to the press pull, select here press pull, click here, make it like this. Similar way, click here, make it like this, press escape key, select this line, delete it. Now this component completely created. Then go to here, layout, select here layout tab, select here base from model space, click here, press enter, click here, then click here, press enter, you will get it everything. Next we need to change the scale, 1:1.5. Just go to here, select this one, make it here 1:1.5. Now you can place it this one comfortably inside this title block. Drawing sheet, select this one, go to the move command, place it like this. Then you can create all the dimensions. You can make a linear dimension, radial dimension, you can make a center mark, center line, everything you can create. After that you can make here changes, you can save the drawing, you can print the drawing.